he was born on July 6, 1796. He was a brother of Russia. On the वो था मिली एरिया था He is often remembered for his autocratic and conservative policies, which emphasize strong central authority and a rigid social order. He is martyred for efforts to suppress Hitler and revolutionary movements both within Russia and across Europe. Nicholas was called the policeman of Europe because of his active role in interpreting European affairs to maintain the status quo and suppress revolutionary movements. जिनका बेसिक मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव था इन्होंने जो है यूरोप में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इनका आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वॉर वन रशिया did not relations with Europe. So for maintaining population in Europe, he started intervening in their conflicts और जो है उसके बाद उन्होंने जो है हंगरी और ऑस्ट्रिया में जो है पोलैंड जो है वो जो है अपनी ट्रूप्स भेजी रशिया ने ताकि जो है वो उनकी हेल्प कर सकें और उसके बाद जो है यूरोप से जो रिलेशंस मेंटेन कर सकें। और उसके बाद जो है यूरोप में जो है जब 1848 का जो रेवोल्यूशन आया था उसमें जो है इन्होंने ऑस्ट्रिया और हंगरी में अपनी जो है ट्रूप्स भेज के जो है इन्होंने क्या कहते हैं अपने जो है रिलेशन जो है वो मेंटेन किए थे। बेसिकली यूरोप जो है उनकी वजह से बिकॉज ऑफ निकोलस वन यूरोप वॉज अ मोनार्कियल कंट्री वो ज़्यादातर मोनार्की को फॉलो करते थे बट यूरोप they wanted to stay in that monarchy period. They did not want a liberalism and they did not wanted कि मतलब उनके जो है उनके इसमें पब्लिक में जो है लिबरलिज्म या जो है रेवोल्यूशनरी आइडियाज़ उनके दिमाग में ना आए। दे वांटेड टू बी मोनार्की सिस्टम बिकॉज ऑफ निकोलस वन एक किंग जो है वो मतलब डेमोक्रेसी ना हो, कोई आपके पास जो है वो वोट देने का हक ना हो, आपके पास अपने लीडर से हक ना हो। तो बिकॉज ऑफ निकोलस वन Europe stayed away from a long time from the ideas of liberalism and revolutionary ideas. Nicholas I was also the part of Holy Alliance. In this Holy Alliance, Austria, Prussia, and Hungary was also involved. Basically, this Holy Alliance was to keep away the people of Europe from the revolutionary ideas. So Nicholas I was the main, you can say the main part of the big part of the Holy Alliance to keep the people away from the ideas of liberalism. Nicholas I खुद भी जो है वो लिबरलिज्म के आइडिया से बहुत दूर थे। मतलब वो अब रशिया में भी उन्होंने लिबरलिज्म को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं किया था और लिबरलिज्म के मतलब उन्होंने उसको रोकने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो प्रिवेंशंस की थी कि लिबरलिज्म जो है
She basically highlighted that why he was known as the policeman of the Europe because he was making sure that the people they remain under the monarchy. They will not move to the democracy or liberalism because that France was there and obviously there was a movement for the liberalism and more power for the people.
Revolutionary ideas
Revolutionary
going on in
ideas
Russia as well.
So he played an anchor role in the Europe. So the monarchies will remain strong for a long time. So that's why he was known as the policeman of the Europe. So who gave him the title of the policeman of Europe basically?
Basically the people of Europe and they helped them of course and he helped them.
The meaning is it was the general people, general public or the monarchs of the Europe because they were happy with his role. He united
this
them.
title to this person?
This person, yes.
The journal people of course give the title because he of course helped them in many ways because he sent troops to help the journal people.
So you think that according to the time or according to the situation of that time, his decision that monarchy should remain in power was good or not? It's your opinion. What do you think? So it strengthened the Europe or it weakened the Europe? What do you think?
I think monarchy was at that time was the best idea because as the revolutionaries were at that time was making very fast
Monarchy was the best idea. Why
Yes.
he was fighting against the Napoleon?
Uh-huh.
He was a monarchy idea.
He should be
Supported to
He was against liberalism.
Napoleon was not a liberalist. He was a dictator.
But he did not like the liberalism. He was very much against of liberalism, and he tried to stop that.
Don't you think that it was regarding that the monarch families? Napoleon was not himself from a monarchy. He was a general. He became a monarch. So these are the royal families. These were the royals. There's a reason why we call Queen Elizabeth I as grandmother of the Europe, because they were marriages. These were cousins. Dictators or the rulers of Russia and Britain and Germany, they were all cousins to each other. So don't you think that they were supporting each other, that those families remain in power for long? They were against Napoleon because he was not from the family which ruled the Europe in the past. He was not a monarch like they were. Do you think that was the case? That was the case.
That was the case. That
Yes.
was the case. This is the basic thing why he did all this thing. Because they all, what he was saying that he was belongs to the royal family and he has a blood of royal. So royalty means that they will do their own self. They don't want anyone else to come up and give the ideas. So they want to maintain their own unity among the people, not any other
Like the Napoleon.
like Napoleon.
So that was it.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
For you, like you have lectured that we cannot suppress power, anything using power for a long time. So wouldn't you think that by using power, Nicholas I give a pathway or give to like upcoming revolutions? Like it's not possible to suppress someone by using power for a long time. Wouldn't you think that he give a pathway to upcoming revolutions?
Of course, उस टाइम पे जिस टाइम पे भी उस वक्त पावर की सपोर्ट की थी. ऑफ कोर्स जब जो है मतलब उन्होंने एक पावर उस वक्त जो है उसने यूज़ की जो उसके पास उस वक्त जो है अपनी थी वो मतलब जितनी ऑफ कोर्स उसके बाद जो मतलब अच्छी खासी पावर थी उन्होंने सप्रेस किया. अब आगे वाली उसके बाद जो आफ्टर निकोलस इज अ ग्रैंड चाइल्ड एलेक्जेंडर III. So he did not follow all of his instructions. Basically, he did not follow his grandfather. So of course, every leader at that time has his own ideas, and they directly jump from directly liberalism to other theories. So they all have their own ideas at that time.
I think it's clear.
I think it's clear.
It's
Apart,
clear.
apart from the policemen of Europe, what does Nicholas do for Russia?
Beside this, what you have doing? What was his main target? What was he doing?
बेसिकली निकोलस I है उन्होंने रशिया की नेबरिंग कंट्रीज थी जो साउथर्न जो कंट्रीज थी उनकी साउथर्न राइवल्स पर्शिया ऑटोमन एम्पायर था उनके खिलाफ निकोलस ने जंग की थी. और जो है उसके बाद इन्होंने
What was the country's name?
रशिया साउथर्न
Ottoman Empire, Persia, Ottoman.
उसके बाद बेसिकली इसलिए भी बहुत जो है फेमस थे कि इन्होंने सर्व्स और पीजेंट्स पे जो है मतलब उन्होंने काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्टनेस की थी. ये उसके लिए भी बहुत जो है फेमस थे. लेकिन इन दी एंड जो है इन्होंने रशिया को क्रीमियन वॉर में जो है एंटर करवाते जो बहुत ही एक डिस्ट्रक्टिव वॉर थी. और उसके बाद वॉर एंड
Thank you.